Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are fine at home. Children, I Gunjan Tamboli, your computer teacher. Okay, and today's my topic is know your computer. Okay children. Now in this video we will revise our lesson number 1. Hello children. That is input device, processing device, output device, storage device. Okay children. Okay children, we have already discussed about this that basic parts of computer there are four: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We all know computer is an electronic machine children. It accepts data as an input, process it and gives information as a output. Computer works very fast. It save your time and energy. Okay, and it never make mistake children. Yeah? See, these are the four basic part of computer. Now children, again I will explain you what is input devices. Devices that help us to enter data into the computer आर कॉल्ड इनपुट डिवाइस है ना चिल्ड्रन। जो भी डिवाइसेस है जो हमें कंप्यूटर में डेटा एंटर करने के लिए यूज़ करता है उसको हम कहते हैं इनपुट डिवाइसेस। ओके, नाउ आई विल शो सम इनपुट डिवाइसेस। टच स्क्रीन इज ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ इनपुट डिवाइसेस। कैमरा, you know, scanner, microphone, joystick, webcam, keyboard, mouse, trackball. See children, these are all the input devices. We can, with the help of keyboard, typing somewhere something, we will give input with the help of mouse when we are drawing it. Okay, if we want to something uh, play with game, then we will use joystick. Then if we want to record our voice, we will use microphone. Okay children, so these are the input devices. See, we have already discussed about keyboard also. Keyboard is used to entering data into the computer system. Then mouse also, joystick, microphone है ना, webcam, scanner is used to copies your picture and image or page and turn them into images that can be saved on computer. Now then, processing device. Children, we all know that CPU is our processing device. All the inputs are stored, arranged and changed by a computer. The full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay, now children, after that, once we have input the data, then CPU will process and then it's time to output device. Now the parts of the computer that help us to show the parts of processing are called output device. Means children, जो भी हमने माउस और कीबोर्ड से और जॉयस्टिक से या माइक्रोफोन से इनपुट किया, CPU will process that all data and send to the output device like monitor, printer, so that we can easily see, है ना, that is called output devices. Okay, now some example of output devices as speaker. We all know speaker is used to listen to music. Printer is used to take your printouts or any page. You can print hard copy, है ना. Then monitor, it's look like a television. Okay, whatever we are typing from the keyboard and mouse, we can see on a monitor. Then headphone also one kind of output devices. If we want to listen music without disturbing others, we will use headphones. Then LCD. This LCD means projector. Okay, projector है ये. It is a one kind of output device. See, we have already seen about printer. Printer prints the result of your work from the computer screen on a sheet of paper. Speaker, headphone. Now the storage device. Children, the parts of a computer which are used for storing data are called storage devices, है ना. After that, once we have inputted, then CPU will process on that data and monitor will display all this data. After that, we have to store or save some place in our computer for our future use. so that we use storage devices. See, these all are the storage devices: CD, pen drive. Okay, yes, a floppy disk, CD's full form is compact disk. Now flash drive, here flash drive means pen drive, we can say jump drive also, है ना. पेन ड्राइव को हम फ्लैश ड्राइव और जंप ड्राइव भी कह सकते हैं. देन हार्ड ड्राइव मीन्स हार्ड डिस्क, दैट इज हार्ड डिस्क. ओके, वी ऑल ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, next is, see, I want to show you the main process, or we can say cycle of input, process, output. See, with the mouse or keyboard, input will be given, then CPU will process that data, and after that CPU sends this, that all the data on output devices like monitor. Okay, so it is a example of input, process and output. Okay, now see children, again another example is that if we want to add two numbers, how it will work. See, input में क्या करेंगे हम, 34 plus 56, it is the input, and this input we give to the calculator. Now calculator add these two number 34 plus 56. Okay, and the output you will get the 90 on output device, see on the screen. A same way in computer this type of work will done. Okay children, again see, with the help of keyboard and mouse we will give the input, CPU will take the actions, and result, or we can say output, on the monitor or printer we can see very well. Okay, and see the some example of input, process and output. If we have dirty clothes, then we put these dirty clothes into the washing machine. Washing machine is a one kind of processing device. Washing machine will wash your clothes, and then finally you get the clean clothes, that is the output. Same way, if we want to go from one place to another place, we need car and petrol. So the petrol is a one kind of input. We fill the petrol into the car, and then energy for running, when we are running the car. Okay, it is a output. So these all are the example of input, process and output. So children, in next video we will learn our next chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.